United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 209, Pollution from Activities in the Area, 1. International rules, regulations and procedures shall be established in accordance with Part 11 to prevent, reduce and control pollution of the marine environment from activities in the area. Such rules, regulations and procedures shall be re-examined from time to time as necessary. 2. Subject to the relevant provisions of this section, states shall adopt laws and regulations to prevent, reduce and control pollution of the marine environment from activities in the area undertaken by vessels, installations, structures, and other devices flying their flag, or of their registry, or operating under their authority, as the case may be. The requirements of such laws and regulations shall be no less effective than the international rules, regulations and procedures referred to in paragraph 1.